This is the moment a Tesla car went out of control in southern China. The driver was attempting to park the Model Y vehicle before the car accelerated and traveled at high speed for about 2 kilometers, 1.2 miles. The car crashed into pedestrians and other vehicles, killing 2 people. Three others were injured, including the 55-year-old Tesla driver identified as Zhang. Police said the driver was not drunk or under the influence of drugs. A relative said Zhang had problems with the car's brake pedal. Tesla said the car's background data showed the brakes were not applied at all. It said that the accelerator instead had been pressed for an extended period. In 2021, a woman in China claimed malfunctioning brakes had caused her Tesla to crash. But the company cited background data to counter that she had been speeding.